To fix Raycon earbuds that are not charging, there are several potential reasons to consider. The issues may be due to faulty charging contacts, a damaged or faulty charging cable, or an uncharged case. To resolve these problems, start by inspecting the charging contacts on both earbuds for dirt or debris. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean any dirty contacts, and let the earbuds dry before attempting to charge them again. If this does not work, examine the charging cable, ensuring it is the one provided with the earbuds, and test it with another device using a different USB port or charging adapter. It is also important to maintain a strong connection between the charging case and the cable. If none of these steps are effective, try charging the earbuds charging case by connecting it to a power source and checking for indicator lights to confirm it is charging. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Raycon earbuds and get them charging again.